Okay guys, in our previous video we created a simple HTML form which look like this. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to create a simple table in HTML. So the previous video code for HTML form is like this. You can pause the video or you can type this code and practice it by surprise. It is very much easy. This is simple done. Now I'm using the same file. I'm deleting this code and I'll write the code for HTML table. Okay, this is clear. Now type HTML, then press Control plus space bar, Control space bar, Control, hold it and space bar. You will get this option and press enter. Everything you need will be pasted here automatically by this software. This is the basic HTML structure. Inside the HTML title tag, I'll write here HTML table. I'm going to show you very simple. So HTML title, this is the heading. It is displayed over here. Now inside the body we want to display table. So for that I will use here heading tag again, h1 HTML table creation. HTML table creation. This is heading. This is at the top. Now we want to create a table. What table? So we'll write table tag, table, control space bar. You'll get the option, press enter and now let's refresh this. After typing table, nothing is here. Now in the table we see two things, one row and one column. While creating a table in HTML, we'll deal with row only. Simple thing, row. Okay, so we'll write here first of all tr. Tr means table row. So I'll write tr and then press the enter button. Okay, inside the table tag I have written here tr only. This is what row. This is row. One row. Inside the row, what you want to display? First of all, I want to display name. Okay, first name. First name. Okay, first name. Inside the row, I want to display first name. But that is what? First name is what? First name is table heading. At the top, we must have a heading. So I'm using here th. Inside the tr, inside the row, I'm writing th for first name. Yeah, first name is here. Okay, fine. Then after this, what you want to display next? I want to display th last name. I'm setting the heading, yeah, last name. After this, th again. Mobile number. Okay, mobile number. Then again th table heading. How many headings you want? You can give here. Email. Email. Then again th. What do you want next? Enter. Let's press it. Okay. So name. Last name, yeah, blah blah blah. These things. So inside the table, inside one row, this is what row is. Inside the row, we have th for table heading. First heading is first name, second is last name, mobile number, email, and gender. But it looked like the text only, not the table. So to do that, we need to go to the table tag and you need to use one attribute called border. In the table, you must give borders. So I'm giving here 2 pixels. Press it. Yeah. Now it looked like a table. Border 2 pixel. I'm not going to use CSS. Just in simple way I'm explaining. Okay, now we have set the table heading, first name, last name, mobile number, email, and gender. One tr is finished, first table row is finished. Now again, I'll do one thing, that I'll write here tr again. Tr means again row. So here I want to give first name, something name, first last name, something, mobile number, and email, and gender. So I'm using here tr again. Inside the tr, table heading is done. Now I will use here td, that is for table data. At first, what you have, first name. So for first name, I will write here Jack. Some name you can write. First name Jack. Next, what we have, last name. So again, table data td. First time th because for table heading, this like first name, last name, and now td for table data. Jack. Right. This is his last name. Okay, let me refresh it. Okay, now you can see Jack first name and this surname. And now what we have next, mobile number. That is what I want to enter mobile number. That is what table data. So for table data plus 91, some random mobile number I'm typing right now. Mobile number is done. Now next what we have, TD. Inside the TD what we have, email. So for email I will write here abc@pmail.com. Random value I'm typing. And now last is gender. Now okay, what is gender? Gender for this Jack is male. So I'll write here male and then refresh it. Okay, you can see everything is here. In the TR table row, we have wrote everything. I have stored only one record. Now I want to store one more record. That is row. Again, one more row for one more person. TR. Inside the TR, what we want to store. We have defined here. You can see first name, last name, mobile number, email, gender. You need to type in the same way. So first of all, here we have first name. So I will use here table data because we are typing a name. Person. First name, refresh it. It will come here down in the same way because we are using next tr. For each tr, each row, we are typing all the details. I'll copy the same thing, remaining thing. I'm not going to type the detail, like I'm keeping the same thing. And if you want more, you can just copy, or you can type a new person again tr. And if you want to add more detail, you can just copy or you can type it by yourself. I'm just going to a table by copy paste it. You can see this is simple table is created using HTML tag. Right? If you want to keep this table at the center, you can do that. So to do that, where we have here is the table. Before table, I have one center tag. I'll start the center tag before table tag, and I will close the center tag after table tag. So everything will be in the center. Look at this. Now if you want to keep this HTML table creation in the center, this is using the heading, so I'll use a line attribute and I'll keep in the center. Okay, this is also in the center. Fine. Okay, this is simple table creation using HTML. Let me zoom it a little bit. Yeah, this look like a table. Fine. Okay, I haven't used any CSS tag till now. Okay, this is done. Now what? If we want to draw one line over here and over here, after table and before table, line. So before table, I want to draw a line, so I will use here HR, horizontal row. HR tag will draw a line. Look, this is, if you want to draw one more, you can use HR tag again. Yes. So after table, if you want to draw, then you can go after table tag, closing tag, HR to HR. So done. Yeah, this is inside the line table tag. Fine. If you want to change the background, you can do that. We have simple options for that. We have here in the body, we have busy color. That is, let me keep blue. And keep any color your choice. Yes. Let's try for table also, if whether it will work or not. Busy color for table only, that is orange. For table only, I'm changing the color, background color, yeah, orange. This is fine. So thank you for watching. This is simple table creation using HTML only. There are few things we can explore. Let me show you one demo. I want this email and gender tag to be taking two these things. Okay, let me show you one. Okay, let it be for now. Thank you guys for watching this video. Have a good day and see you in the next video.